Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and today I'm going to show you how to make Valentine Day cards. In this video I'll show you 3 cards, so let's move on to the first card. This is a very simple card and as you can see I have made a beautiful card with rhinestone heart. So I'm taking a card stock. You can take A4 size sheet or any type of sheet that you want, that depending upon the card size that you want. And once you have folded the card according to the card size that you want, you have to make a pencil heart. You have to use a pencil, don't use pen, otherwise the line will show, and make a heart with very fine lines so that it is not visible after you are done. And as you can see, I'm using this sticker rhinestone in red color and I'm just sticking them up. You can also use normal rhinestone and use Fevicol or fabric glue to stick them on the paper, but I had these fabric like stickers and they work perfectly fine with paper as well as fabric, so I used those. You can also use pearl stickers in red color or any color that you want, but as it is Valentine and red is the color of Valentine as well as heart, and so here I'm taking like the red color rhinestones. It is fairly easy guys. All the cards that I'm going to show you are very easy, so it will be very easy to make. And as you can see that the handmade cards are always a perfect gift for your Valentine or for your loved ones. So just try to make a Valentine Day card this year, like with your own hands, and you'll see that how good it will feel. Now the second card is also a very simple card. This is a simple card and I have just taken A4 card, A4 red color cardstock, and I will just use a fabric glue here and I will just paste all a very thin layer of the fabric glue, and I will just paste this red A4 size sheet in this heart. I already have this sheet here, and I have this has all the hearts in it, so it's perfectly fine and perfectly good for the Valentine Day theme. So I've used that. This is optional step, you can just skip this step, but you know this heart is perfectly fine with all the Valentine Day theme, so I used that. And once you're like both the sheets are like completely together, stick together, you have to cut off the excess and you have to fold the card in a form of like actual card. You can use this cardstock, and like if you have the red sheet, if it is thick sheet, you can use that as the cardstock, but my the hard sheet was not as thick, and that's why I have just used another sheet to stick it on as a base so that my card has a thick base. So I'm just using scissors here to round off the corners, and as it is a very simple card, I'm just using gold glitter letter stickers, and I'm just using this gold and to write I love you. You can write anything else, you can write love, you can write true love, you can write love forever heaven, and anything that you want. The best thing about the stickers, I love that you can customize anything. So this was the second card. This looks super easy and super simple to make. Now the third card is also a very simple card. As you can see, all of the cards are very simple. So I'm just taking this white A4 card stock and I'm just folding in the card shape, and here I'm using the fabric colors, and these are perfectly fine with fabric as well as paper. But if you don't want to use the fabric color in your paper, you can also use poster colors, and make sure that you're using all the bright colors. I'm just you can also use sketch pen or wax colors, anything, or like pencil colors, anything that you want to work with. It's completely your choice. I just use this fabric paint here because I had this and I wanted to work with that, but you can completely use pencil colors, sketch pens, wax colors, anything that you want to write with. This, as you can see, I have written very simply. I have not used my writing is not that very good, so I just wrote it in a very simple font, and you just have to write it as creative as possible. So to cover the edges, I'm using this red paper tape, and I'm just covering it all to give my like card a little bit of edge. And to just finish it off, I'm just using these stickers, not stickers actually, these are like flowers patterns, and these usually actually you can use this for any kind of, you can stick them on paper, you can stick them on fabric. So these are actually stickers. So I used yellow stickers with a heart, and also 3 stickers with like flower stickers. And in the end, just to give it a finished touch, I'm using this sketch pen and I'm just drawing simple hearts all over the card. So this was it. This is how I made the 3 cards. This, guys, all of the cards are very simple to make, and my drawing is not that very good. So if I can make it, you can also make it. So guys, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more some videos. Take care.